Having full-fledged backyard garden become luxury nowadays, but this luxury become painful at a time of maintenance, especially when it comes to watering your garden. Hand watering very time-consuming process, and sometimes we left dry patches while watering them, and it's caused patchy yellow lawn. Another drawback of hand watering is that you use watering pipe while irrigating your garden, and in that process you actually end up overwatering. And installing a full-fledged irrigation system is very expensive for a smaller garden. If we compare the cost of the irrigation system with the average time we spend on the watering and water saving due to the irrigation system, then irrigation system seems actually cheap. In case of public park or large resort, it's reduced labor requirement and we can divert that gardeners for some other important work. In this video, we are going to understand 5 points you might consider while installing landscape irrigation system for your garden. Drip irrigation systems are usually the best choice for watering landscape bed with the shrubs, perennials and trees because they give you perfect control over how much water each plant gets. You can select emitters that give a lot of water to the plant or ones that give just a small drink. There are even mini sprinklers available for drip irrigation system that can water a section of the landscape with annual flower, vegetable seedlings and other thirsty plants. Because you can mix and match which emitter you use, your drip irrigation system can be customized according to your landscape need. Even the best irrigation system won't perform well if installed incorrectly. When looking to hire a designer or contractor, always check work experience. You can use DIY or install by own when it's come to the small garden, but it gets risky in terms of bigger garden. Designing a landscape irrigation system is very complicated because you need to consider a lot of factors like water requirement, drainage, pressure and head calculation. On that note, I want to introduce Nature Intact, a startup provide customizable irrigation system for your garden. Nature Intact prominent in landscape design, vertical green wall and irrigation system design. I link down Nature Intact social media handles, please check it out. Different plants have a different watering needs and these needs may change over the time. Your system should allow you to apply right amount of water for each type of plant by the most effective method. Plant water requirement increase as a plant become big. That's why select irrigation product that sustain longer period of time. If installed correctly, drip irrigation system can dramatically increase water use efficiency and cost less as compared to the other expensive landscape irrigation system. Again, do not try to install by yourself unless you have experience in relevant field. Consider contracting a professional irrigation contractor for installing drip irrigation system for your garden. Smart irrigation controller are become necessity in today's hyper-connected world. With the help of sensor, we can control watering interval on the basis of soil moisture and plant water requirement. Various type of automation controllers are available in the market. Some we can install on a site and use manually, and some work on a mobile app or a Wi-Fi. Irrigation system is a pressure operated system and sprinklers are generally calibrated for a specific radius and specific pressure. While designing the irrigation system, we arrange sprinkler according to the specified radius and it covers specific area. Whenever your system pressure decreases, it decreases your sprinkler radius and it causes yellow patches in your landscape. You can see the pressure rating on the company website or product catalog before buying any products. Low or high pressure seriously affects sprinkler performance. Choose sprinkler based on the water pressure on your site. If you have low water pressure, then irrigation designer will help you to select right combination of product to water your landscape properly. So this is all for today's video. If you want a similar video like this, let me know in comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe us. Until next time, we see you later.